Welcome to Bond Blocks. This is the first activity in the Bonds of 10 chapter. You will notice that all of the activities in this chapter have this pink band running across the top. All of the activities in the Bonds of 10 chapter use 10 as the whole. Before we begin, there are some important maths words we need to discuss. The first is that word whole. I'm not talking about whole spelt like this. This hole is the type you would dig in your garden or the hole that's found in the middle of a donut. I'm talking about the hole that begins with the letter W. This means all of it or the complete amount. This hole may be cut, or other teachers will use the words split or partitioned into pieces. Here, the whole of 10 has been partitioned into 3 pieces. These pieces are called parts. We don't need to partition our whole into 3 parts. We could partition the whole of 10 into 2 parts. Here I have partitioned the whole of 10 into the parts of 4 and 6. These 2 parts join, or in maths we're going to say bond together. They bond together to be the same length as the whole of 10. 4 and 6, when they are bonded together, are equal to 10. We are going to be using the word whole and parts in the next activity. Let's get started in section 1. The first thing we're going to do is build a wall of 10. You will need 2 of each bond block from 1 to 10. The first thing you're going to do is take the 10 block and place it at the top of the wall. We're going to fill each of these empty spaces going horizontally across. We call these rows in maths, and we're going to fill them with either 1 block or 2 blocks. If we bond or join 2 blocks together, they need to be the same length as 10 or equal to 10. So I can't use 4 and 7 because the 7 looks like it's about 1 too long. So I'll try the number 1 less, which is a 6. Yes, 4 and 6 bond together to be equal to 10. When building my rows, I also cannot repeat a row. So I've already done 4 and 6, so I can't do this. I can, however, swap the position of the blocks. Make your wall of 10 so that every row is equal to the whole of 10 and is made of either 1 or 2 blocks. And if it's 2 blocks, you don't repeat a row that is exactly the same. We'll come back and talk about it after you've built your wall.